Alright, today I am going to be making ramen noodles with ginger, garlic, and orange zest. Absolute goodness if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Now let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is ramen noodles. You're going to need ginger, right here, a fresh ginger, and garlic, alright? Absolute goodness. As well as an orange, which I'm going to zest into the ramen noodles. Absolute goodness. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and open up a package of ramen noodles. Alright. And I'm going to place this into the pot back here that is boiling, or should be boiling. And I'm going to cook these ramen noodles until they're al dente. And then I'm going to take out the flavoration packet, put that to the side. Alright, so now we're getting cooking. Alright, absolute goodness. Alright, and so now, I'm gonna go ahead and prep open my flavoration packet. Like that. Alright, and meanwhile, I'm gonna get the pan right here started. And I'm gonna put some butter into this pan because we're gonna toast the ramen noodles slightly. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this pan on. And I'm gonna place some butter in there. And meanwhile, I'm gonna check up on my ramen noodles right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and liberate these. Break them up because I want them to be cooked to al dente. Absolute goodness. Alright, so we got that cooking. I'm gonna check on the butter, make sure, spread the love in the butter in here. Alright. And meanwhile, while spreading the butter, I'm gonna get started with the ginger, the garlic, and the orange zest. All right, so I have the garlic, and what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna have this zester shraver right here, and I'm just gonna shrave some garlic into the pan. See that? Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see all of this good stuff right here. Alright, so I'll shave some of that, and then I'm going to shave a little bit of garlic, or ginger. Alright, shave that in there, knock that in there. Absolute goodness. Now once that's going on, I'm going to check up on the ramen noodles to make sure that they are cooked. And they are almost cooked to al dente. I'm just going to go ahead and strain them, and I'm going to use some of the liquid from the pan, from the noodles, to finish cooking them into the pan. So I'm going to go ahead and strain these ramen noodles back here. Alright. Alright. Absolute goodness. Alright. So once they're strained, I'm going to go ahead and put these into the pan. And they're going to start to fry a little bit and toast right. And so while that's going on, I'm going to take my orange and I'm going to zest some orange into the pan. Let me zoom in so you can see some of this. You see that orange zest at the top? It smells great. Just keep on zesting some. So we're going to zest some right now and then some at the end for decor. Another chef term. So I have some orange zest in there. And I'm just going to take my thongs and mixerate them up. And I'm going to add a little bit of water to this because they're slightly under al dente. Just take them to the next level. It smells so orangey. And then I'm going to take my flavoration packet, put the flavoration packet in there, absolute goodness, and then stir this up a little bit. Got the orange flavor smelling really great, garlic, the ginger, absolute goodness. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off right there, and then I'm going to grab my bowl. I'm just going to go ahead and put this into the bowl like this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this into the bowl. Smell that, oh my gosh, it smells great. The orange, the garlic, the ginger, absolute goodness. Look at that. Look at that. The steam piping up, absolute goodness if you ask me. Absolute goodness.